Hi everyone. Uh, Today's video is specifically for some kind of an announcement which I have been planning for a very long time but wasn't really being able to uh, understand how to do it. But finally, we are getting into a mode where we are trying to make something uh, easy for everyone to access the hidden knowledge of occult. How it can how can you benefit? How can you use it in your regular life? How is it going to make any difference to your life? How you can stay protected? How you can guard yourself from negative energies? Everything. So this is a occult is everything that is hidden. So a lot of people ask me, a lot of my students used to ask me all kinds of working, spells, connecting to the deities, connecting to the ancient ones, connecting to the demons, everything is fine. But where what I say is meditation is really important. Like what happens is, and people generally say that they don't have the time for meditation. Everybody is very busy. They don't they can't take time out for themselves. So I think ever since the pandemic happened, ever since COVID-19 has come into being, all, at least during the lockdown last year, we all were shown a lot of time which we had for ourselves. And some people used it in a very positive way, and some people used it just to prevent the negative as usual. So the ones who wanted to be negative are generally always negative. So why meditation is important? I see everybody knows that what time what serials come, what time KBC comes, what time Arnab Goswami is there on news, what time everything is happening, but they can't take the time out of meditation. So what? So the thing is, you have time for everything in this world. You have time for 3 hours of constant serials which are happening, but you don't have time for the one who can change everything of your life. So that's your time with God. That's your appointment with God. That's your appointment with the God you connect to. I'm not talking about any Christian God, any Hindu God, or the other religious aspects of it. I am talking about the one that is like your guiding force, your God, your angel, your demon, your ancient one, the supreme energy that you can connect to. I am talking about that being. That is your time. So, meditation is your appointment with God. Please take out that much time because I think it's really, really important for everyone. Your time with the spiritual being that you want to connect to, that you want help from, that you want support from, should be in place before you venture out into any other dimension of your life. So, after this entire situation of COVID 19, I was actually where I had started my classes. I closed my classes because I thought the kind of students that I was getting, they all were looking for shortcuts. So I had restricted my students to being only like 4 a year, so that those four, at least the whatever they learn, is like real thing. They they should be epitomes of their own transformation. They should understand what they are getting into. They should be able to feel the difference in their life. They should be able to be strong in their life. They should be able to take decisions in their life, and they should be able to connect to the light that we are talking about. They should be able to connect to the darkness that we are talking about. Everything is dark, and so this is dark too. So there we went, and we planned that now, as I had put up on my Insta or Facebook, I had already mentioned that we are coming up with an online occult library or a hub where you'll get all kinds of knowledge, whether it is Egyptian, whether it is global, whether it is ancient, whether it is hoodoo, whether it's voodoo, whether it's tantra, whether it's, you know, Sanatan Dharma, everything. So you get to know about all these uh, knowledge and their link with the left hand path. Now, Tantra or occult or demonology has all been labeled in such a way that people are scared. What I understand is, yeah, fear is in its own place, but any kind of fear is negative. So you need to get out of your fear and connect to the beings that is all supreme, all powerful, and for that you really need to be composed yourself. You can't be living in fear. You should be able to get everything that you want, everything that you're hoping for, everything that you're desiring. It has happened to me, and I'm sure it can happen to anyone if it can happen to me. So we are the announcement is of I am conducting workshops probably on a weekly basis on demonology to begin with, where I am going to be busting the myths of demonology, where a lot of people want to learn, want to do their own practice, but they are not being able to do their own practice because they don't know anything. So it's going to be a very interactive session. You're going to get the updates on Instagram as well as Facebook, which is Folklore Magic on Instagram and Meenakshi on Facebook. So you will be able to get the details over there. We will be posting the details soon. It will start from the month of May, where I'm going to take 10 to 15 at the most in each time for the workshop. And it's going to be a very, very interactive session for practitioners or the ones who are wanting to start their own practice in the world of demonology. I would, of course, suggest that I'm sure there are a lot of people who are interested, and we keep getting a lot of mails. So this is an initiative from Folklore that we wanted to make it easy for people to start their journey in the field of knowing themselves, connecting to their superpowers, connecting to themselves, and reach the optimum level of their best self. So this is your chance to probably, start your journey in the occult, know about the demons, know about how to do their offerings, what are the things to do if you can't set up an altar at home, how to do it, about astral temples, about astral altars, about offerings, about pacts, about how to have a relationship with them, how to have the relationship with the ancient ones. So we will have one single number where you can call, and you will be able to tap into the consultation or the workshops or the trainings. Everything is going to be there in one platform. We will also inform you about the website, which is going to be coming up soon, which is specially for practitioners. My idea is to always let the ones who want to practice the path to lead them ahead. If they get stuck somewhere, I'm there to help them out. It is all our individual journey. I am there helping a lot of people who are in this path, and I will always be there because this is the oath that I have taken for this lifetime, that I'm going to help people to connect to themselves, to connect to the darker side, to get off the fear mode, to understand there's nothing to fear in this because you are strong and you can do it. So please, I would say that don't be scared of the occult part. There are a lot of things that we can connect to. There are a lot of things which can keep us protected. There are a lot of things which can give us whatever we desire. There are a lot of ways of reaching that place. I'll be there to help you. So you can send us a mail. The number is going to be available soon on Instagram. The number is already available actually, but we will post it on Instagram. And the workshop starting from May. So look forward to that. And I look forward to you being there. Thank you.